About Business Youth Empowerment Program. And right now we're standing on the steps of City Hall to inform you of a great event coming up on July 29th, Rebuilding America. Alongside me is Andrew Bruskin, Director of AAB Media Publications, here to tell you all about this wonderful event.
Thank you, Manny. And the reason why I created this event is that there's a lot of problems facing Americans these days in the legal, political, financial, and educational systems. And we are going to have a distinguished panel telling Americans what they can do to help rebuild our country. So our event is July 29th, and I hope to see you there. My plan on rebuilding America is to ensure that the legal system is efficient and it helps everyone.
My plan to rebuild America is to remove the negative social norms that have been accepted by society today through the media.
My plan to rebuild America is to improve international relations with other countries.
My plan to rebuild America is to promote economic responsibility in the financial industry to prevent future recessions.
My plan to rebuild America is to mentor youth, because youth are our future.
My plan to rebuild America is to open several businesses around the country and provide jobs for members of my community and your community, regardless of race, religion, gender, and orientation. Rebuild America!
My name is Minyela Kempe, co-chair of the Optimum Institute of Economic Empowerment. This event is about tangible solutions.
My name is Kareem Herzog, Executive Director of the Optimum Institute of Economic Empowerment, and this event is about youth creating change for the future.
My name is Ryan Mack, President of the Optimum Institute of Economic Empowerment. This is precisely why we created All About Business, because youth are our tomorrow. And this event is about all people, young and old, coming together to discuss tangible change that you will see in America.
Are you ready?
I'm getting ready.
I think I'm ready.
I know I'm ready.
I feel like I'm ready.
I was born ready.
1, 2, 3,